one of the things that will make you to go viral either on Facebook or TikTok or on YouTube is by what learning how to edit your video. See, let me tell you something. If you are a young content creator or if you're aspiring to go into content creating, please go to learn how to edit this video. Now, I'm not going to talk much. This video that you just watched, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the editing step by step. So if you are new in my page, please like and don't forget to follow for more. Okay, let's head on to the second phase of this video right now. As you're in your InShot, you click on video, you enter a video, click on new project, then you export the two video because I remember we did the first one. Okay, now here's the first and here's the first and here's the second. Let's export it. Now this is the video. Okay, so now this is what we'll do. You drag the video. Once you drag it, you see that point in which you jumped. You see this one there, you cut it from here, you split it here. You see split, you split, then this other side. Then once you are off the camera, then you split again, then you delete the middle. Now this is what we have. Can you see? Now you go to this side again, you go to this other side. Now can you see this long space? So we have to shorten the space. Now here's what you are going to do. You short this side, then you delete here. So now this is a reappearing video. So now this is the next phase of this video. Now you come to this side, this white line, you click on it, you click on this place, this basics, after the basics, this first one here. So can you see? You click on it. Okay, so let's play the video now. So can you see? Then this second white line, the same thing, you click on the same thing. Now let's watch the second one. So can you see? So now here is what you are going to do next. After this, then you go to export any effect. So let's before we do that, let's go back. Okay, let's go back, and here that they put effect, then this AI effect, you click on it, then you scroll down till you see the perfect. You can use any one of your choice, but I am using this one. So can you see? So you click on OK. Now let's target that point that I disappear. Now okay, so let's see now. So can you see? Now you click on it, this duplicate, you duplicate it into 2, then you drag the third one, the second one, you put it at this point that I will appear. So let's play it. So can you see it? So can you see it? So this is how to, I'm coming. So can you see it? So there's one small problem here. Let's go back to the effect. So we'll drag this, let's adjust this. So then we'll take it a little. So can you see it? So perfect, this is perfect. So the next phase of this editing video is how to apply your effects. For those of you that is new in using InShot, because I know you must be using CapCut or something, but this one you're using InShot. So you go back here, this audio, you click on audio, click on effect, click on export, then you click on this, so they say use, I'm using this sound now, so I'm using this sound now, so you click on it. So can you see? Now this is how to apply this effect. So now let's go back to the because there's one sound that I put in reappearing. and appearing. So let's put that sound now. You go to effect, go to this. So how I transfer this into this, I can export it from anywhere, from video, from you just say video from either Facebook or from TikTok, then you export it to this side. So for those of you that doesn't know how to export, let me teach you now. So can you see this export? So you click on export. Can you see extract from video? You click on extract. Then you save the video, any one that you like. You understand? I've already saved that other video, so let's go back. So this one, so this is appearing one, so let's split it. So can you see it? Then you split it, then you take this reappearing side back to this place. So here it is. So this is how to do this kind of video. And if you are new in my Facebook, please follow and don't forget to engage on my content. Thank you. I love you all. Tomorrow will be a great day because I'm going to be dropping 2 videos for you, 2 of these editing videos. So thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I've opened my YouTube channel for long, so I've been posting there. I just decided to open a Facebook for me to be posting. So I'm going to be dropping the link of my YouTube channel on the comment section. Okay, so bye.